one of the largest land animals on Earth. The king of the ice. The undefeated hunter of the Arctic. Before we get into the story, hit subscribe on this video. Now let's get started. This is the polar bear. Its scientific name is Ursus maritimus, which means sea bear. It beats extreme cold and survives for months without food. It's the true symbol of survival. The polar bear's home is the Arctic Circle. You'll mainly find them across 5 countries: Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and Alaska. Even though it's called a bear, its life depends on the ocean. That's why we call it the sea bear. Sea ice is everything to them: their hunting ground, their highway, their resting place. By today's estimates, only about 22,000 to 31,000 polar bears are left in the world. They're split into 19 subpopulations. How do they survive in -40-degree weather? The answer is in their bodies. 1. Fur. A polar bear's fur isn't white. It's transparent. The hollow hairs channel sunlight straight to the skin. And the skin? It's black. So it can absorb every bit of the sun's heat. 2. Fat. Under the skin, they have a layer of fat up to 4.3 inches thick. That's their thermal jacket. It keeps their body warm when they swim. 3. Paws. Huge paws. They work like snowshoes so the bear doesn't sink in the snow. The bottoms have tiny bumps that give them grip so they don't slip on ice. 4. Swimming. They can swim nonstop for up to 60 miles in a day. They use their front paws like paddles. A polar bear's main food is seals. Especially ringed seals and bearded seals. Their hunting style is a test of patience. They'll wait motionless for hours next to a seal's breathing hole in the ice. The second a seal pops its head up, they strike. The fat from one seal can keep a polar bear alive for months. That's because seal blubber is packed with calories. But here's the problem: they need sea ice to hunt. No ice means no hunting. No hunting means no food. Polar bears don't have natural predators. But the biggest threat they face today is us. Or rather, the climate change we've caused. The Arctic is warming 3 times faster than the rest of the planet. The result? Sea ice melts faster and freezes later. With less ice, bears have less time to hunt. They're forced onto land, where food is scarce. Many are starving and getting thinner. Cubs aren't getting enough milk. According to the IUCN Red List, polar bears are now listed as vulnerable. That means they're facing the threat of extinction. Scientists say that if things keep going like this, their numbers could drop by 2/3 by 2100. The polar bear isn't just an animal. It's an indicator of the Arctic's health. If they're safe, the Arctic is safe. If the Arctic is safe, our climate is safe. Stopping the ice from melting isn't just their problem anymore. It's ours too. Because everything on this planet is connected. The polar bear needs to survive not just for the Arctic, but for us as well. Subscribe to the video.